wanted to shoot this video to let you know what this property is all about and why you need to come out and tour it as soon as possible, because pictures do not convey how special and spectacular this property really is. So let me kind of point and show you around, okay? Number one, this is on 3.22 acres, okay, in Holly Hills. It's private. We're outside on one of the driveways, the main driveway to the larger house right now. That was originally built back in 1986. If you look at it from what I'm showing you right now, the top level there is a traditional 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout, okay? But the lower level, where the garage is a complete separate living space, about 1,000 square feet. It has a handicap accessible bathroom that you can wheel a wheelchair into the shower, never been used, okay? So we have a total of 4 bedrooms. We have a total of 3 baths. That garage is about 660 square feet. You can almost fit 4 cars into that garage itself, okay? And so when we go over here, let's take a walk, and then we'll come back as we're going. We'll go over here. What we're looking at right now is this open pasture space. In Holly Hills and in the subdivision, we can have 2 horses or 2 large animals. Cows would work too, all right? This is considered a caretaker's unit. All of these houses and the buildings on them are all permitted, which is kind of rare when we live. I live out in the country. When we live out in the country, sometimes buildings are a little wonky, all right? These are not wonky. They are built by contractors and all permitted. That building itself, a caretaker's unit, it is legally 988 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. They have taken an additional 700 square feet, and you can see the dormers on top right there. There is a large loft bedroom and office. And so now it's a total of 1,700 square feet living space. Both of these properties, we have a total of 7 bedrooms, 6 baths, okay? 3 living spaces with potential of 4 living spaces, all for under $2 million. Rare. These are turnkey properties, okay? You can move in. All inspections are done. Everything's been taken care of. The pest inspection's done. Sellers are paying for the fumigation of one house. This one didn't need anything. Septics have been cleaned, passed. Bring your kids, bring the families, come out and check these out. You cannot find 3 dwelling spaces, turnkey ready, 3 acres, anywhere in this area. Must-see property. Let me show you where one other thing is really important to see is this 4-car garage. You can see the pod because they're packing, because the sellers are moving, right? Because you are buying the property. We have also, as I'm coming up here, we have 3 sheds. We have one on the big house, one right there, and there's another shed right next to the second house. This building itself is 1,125 square feet permitted. You can see the solar on top. This house has solar. They're leased solar panels. You just have to take over the lease on that. This building can be legally turned into an additional dwelling unit, an ADU, of 800 square feet of the 1,100. So you have 4 living spaces if you choose. So bring grandma, okay, bring the adult kids, bring the grandkids, Sunday dinners. This is what this property is all about.